Back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign. Don't forget to subscribe down below and then click on that notification bell. And then I'm here with my roommates. Introduce yourselves.
Hey guys, I'm Casey. Hey y'all, I'm Kristen Dawn, aka the Chocolate Drop 4C. Y'all already know what it is.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be making flaxseed gel. I know I don't normally do DIYs because it's not really my thing, but I thought it would be fun and it's going to be interesting because I know it's going to get really slimy and I know the commentary is going to be a little out of pocket, but just bear with us. So let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so this is what we're going to be using. I got 3 containers because there's 3 of us, so we can all put our gel in there. And then I want to use this oil by Natural 85. Because it says to use for DIYs and stuff like that. So I'm like, this is a DIY. And then we got stockings. These stockings are from Walmart. They were like $4 and it has 6 of them in case I accidentally mess up, because knowing me, that could probably happen. So I also got flaxseed. This is great value and it's really cheap. I think it might have been like less than $6 and you get all of this and it doesn't really take that much to make the gel. And the only other thing you need is the measuring cups. I got the 3/4 cup and the 1 cup. That's what I got. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna be taking 3/4 of flaxseed, but this is for all 3 of us. If it's just you, just do 1/4. That's enough. Okay, so then this is the 1 cup. I'm gonna use 6 cups for us, but again, if you're 1 person, you're gonna need 2 cups. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is have it on 5 on medium heat and then wait for it to boil and stir it around as I go. Okay, so y'all notice right now that the consistency is like really thin because it's basically just water, but it will start to thicken up. It's getting thicker. It's not quite the gel consistency. You don't want it to be exactly the gel consistency anyway because it's going to thicken up when you take it off the burner. Okay, so it's starting to boil just like a tiny bit, but look at this consistency. Okay, I still can't get over the sound, but the consistency is up. And it's supposed to thicken up a little later, so I think I'm gonna stop it now. It has been about a little less than 30 minutes, like 25 minutes. But yeah, so this is the consistency. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off and let it sit for about 30 minutes so it's not hot, and so we can go ahead and start straining it. Okay, so we let it sit for 30 minutes. Y'all. So I might mess this up. Okay, I need help. I realized that I need help.
All right, go ahead. I'm gonna make sure it goes in there. Just go ahead. Oh! It looks like it's taking a dump. I'm scared. Did it just go right in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It like plops in. It's kind of gross.
Okay. Have y'all ever done this?
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time. Oh, this is so gross.
It's such a good gel.
Step 2, step 2, step 2, step 2, step 2. I'm like, I don't know how much each person gets.
That's what I was saying.
That's a lot left.
Y'all, it's like, what is this? Don't pretend like you wasn't being charged earlier.
I was like, that's so funny.
Why is it not heavy?
Oh, that's what we doing? Okay, see, that's not what we do.
That's not what we do.
I forgot it drips.
That's what she does.
Oh, this is like
okay, y'all. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start squeezing it. It didn't make it. It didn't make it. It's going all outside the. Yeah. We should have put this in a bowl. Really,
that's what I was like thinking about it. Yeah. It's too late to apologize.
Half of my flaxseed is on the counter.
I was so focused that I didn't even think about
the other.
No, half of my flaxseed is on the counter. It's just all right.
Ew.
That ain't no problem. I think it is. Okay, so recommend doing this in a bigger bowl, guys.
Yeah. I just want to say this is our first time making this in a long time. Kristen's never made it before. Casey has, but it's been a while. It's been a while for me too. You know, we're just showing you how we made it. Okay, that's what this is.
So learn from us.
Learn from us. Put it into a bowl and then put it into the container.
Tie the top
so it don't fall out.
I feel like that wouldn't happen to nobody else but me.
We should have laid down some tarp.
Yeah. I didn't notice
a whole bunch of paper towels.
It's everywhere anyway.
She's just gonna let it drip.
Yeah, mine is way back there. Like mine was flying back there a couple times.
Oh, I've been the most contained.
Okay.
Big freaking whoop.
Exactly. Look, I'm trying to get it off the spoon and it was giving me a run for my money. This is what our flaxseed gel is looking like. The consistency is actually like a gel. Not even gonna cap to you. It's like a gel.
Got a little weight on it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get one.
Everybody hold it up but her.
I'm a child.
Is this your natural hair guru?
I think it is. All right, y'all. So we decided to just add a little bit of oil to it. So somewhere over there is some flaxseed gel.
I was close though.
She missed the trash can.
So basically we need to mop, we need to wipe off these counters, we need to do all of that.
I just want to say warning, it gets pretty messy.
Yeah.
Be prepared, put some tarp down, put something down. put something down.
And cover everything.
Everything. Cover your stove if that's possible.
Put gloves on.
Cover the walls, the roof mate,
the floor.
Everything.
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 Put on a poncho.
A poncho.
Cover your hair. Or don't. It's for your hair. So maybe you'll have to.
Me over here, I'm just gonna let some of that moisture. You know, you said it's a moisture. That ain't no problem. Because that ain't no problem. Okay, so we're gonna be using the melanin oil by Natural 85. I felt like it was only fitting since I followed her tutorial to use it. I don't know how much I'm gonna use though, but it says it's perfect for DIYs, and this is a DIY. So drip, drip, drip. Drip, drip, drip.
We have some rosemary oil that we're gonna add.
And this is some lavender.
Don't she sound like a
go on with your
Southern
lavender.
belle?
Y'all never saw that video? Go ahead with your lavender.
Somebody in the
You sound
comments
like the color purple.
I'm gonna put like 5 drops, 7, 10 drops.
Okay. She's rounding up.
They're just gonna use all my lavender basically.
Yes.
Thanks, Casey, for your donation.
Your contribution.
Yarr. Well, we took it. Mine still smells really intense. Like,
Did you just let it pour? What did you do?
Clearly.
it wasn't that much.
From the way it smells, it was.
You're trying to clean the house? This smells like pine sol.
That's the power of pine sol, baby. That's what it smelled like.
I don't think that's gonna help.
Well, it helped mine.
I was like, she
Oh.
did it. I don't know, mine's pretty intense, so it might
Yeah,
help.
I don't know what you did.
I was like, I can smell both of them in there.
Yeah, I just want like a little bit of each. But I didn't want to smell none of the flaxseed.
Nobody heard her.
Y'all, like y'all seen that movie Us? She just walks around the house doing that now, and I don't appreciate it.
Now Lupita Nyong'o really like studied this this very hard, and we just do it with ease around here.
We do.
Shots fired.
I love
Lupita, I didn't say it.
I love her.
I didn't say it.
I love
I do.
Lupita. The movie was amazing, sweetie.
It was, yeah. If you
Yeah, it
haven't
was
seen
great.
Us, I would go check it out. Not sponsored.
Jordan Peele, if you're watching this, I love all of your art, please.
And if you have anything new coming, we'd be more than
Let
happy.
me know. I will be a tree in the background. I don't even care. Just put me on set.
You should just have a
Honestly,
song.
I would do it for free.
Okay, so y'all, we just finished doing the flaxseed gel. I hope you guys enjoy doing this DIY. If you guys try it, don't forget to comment down below if you tried it before or you want to try it. And I guess that's pretty much the end of the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
I did do it again.
Oh gosh. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.